Every tear that you shed for me is worth more than $1,000,000. Your heart is pure as gold. You cry with me when I go there. Thank you for the tears that you wipe off from my very face. Dear mother, I owe you all that I am. I thank you and honor you for what you did for me. I've got nothing to give you but a prayer for your long and happy life. There are a lot of sacrifices you made. You never let me feel left out. Now that I am grown up, I'll never let you down, I'll let you see. Appreciate what I've become, and this I promise to you, mother. Dear mother, I owe you all that I am. I thank you and honor you for what you did for me. Got nothing to give you but a prayer for your